Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to Go with Flutter. Again, I am back with tip number 7, which is text form field validation in Flutter. In this tip, what I will show you is how to show error message when user has entered wrong text in the text field. Like this. When I type anything apart from @go with Flutter, it will give us error message. Like this way, I had typed LAKSHYDEEP, then it will show us error message with a red box. But what if I type @go with Flutter? So when I type @go with Flutter, the text sorry go with Flutter, the error message has disappeared and red border has been turned to blue border. So which means I had entered the correct text here. So this is what you will gonna achieve at the end of this video. So how we can do with the help of a text field, let me show you. Hey guys, if you want to learn Flutter and thinking to dive into MNCs, then do check out a book which is available in Amazon, Flipkart and Notion Press Store named Make Yourself the Software Developer. Let's dive into Flutter and MNCs. This book is written by me, Lakshydeep Vikram, and I had talked about my Flutter journey, all my Flutter experiences and how you can apply for the MNCs. This book will cover these following topics, and I'm sure in one way or the other, these following topics will help you definitely. Do check it out on Amazon, Flipkart, and Notion Press Store, and is available as ebook and as paperback. So don't forget to buy. So I had taken text form field, and just let us focus on the main parts only. So in the text form field we had two parameter, one which is auto validate mode and another one is validator. So by playing with these two field, we will show easily a user a error message. So this auto validate mode will take auto validate mode dot on user interaction. So on user interaction means whatever user type on the basis of the message, on the basis of the input here, it will give us our error message, and the validator will take a value and a function which returns a string. So here I had taken required text function which takes a value as an argument. So on the basis of this function it will give us error. So what is here in required text? Here required text has taken two parameter. One is value and another one is message. So by default the message is sorry follow @go with Flutter in YT, but and if the value is null or the value is empty or the value is not equals to @go with Flutter, it will give us a message follow @go with Flutter in YouTube. But if this condition is not true, then it will simply gives a null. If we had entered correct input, then we will get no any error. But if we had entered wrong input, then we will get an error message like this on the basis of this validation. But we can use here custom validation as well, like follow I'm taking right now subscribers UBS. So it will give us subscribe @go with Flutter in YouTube. You can play with auto validate mode for disabled as well. If you disable this message, then it doesn't show us a error message no matter what we entered here. So as of now I had entered anything, then it isn't showing any error message. But once we change to on user interaction mode, then it will give us error like this way: subscribe @go with Flutter in YouTube. But so that's why when I put @go with Flutter, then it will give us no error, and the text and the color of this text field will change to blue, which means we had entered the right input. So this is how we will validate text form field. So this is one way how we can validate text form field. I will show you another way as well how we can validate text form field in another way by using form builder or form key. I will let you know about this procedure in the next tip, and the code for this tip number 7 has already been uploaded here in my GitHub repository. And if you want to read the article, then you can do follow me on Medium as well. All the links for this code and the Medium article had been given in the description box. Do please check it out. And if you like this video, then do please like, share and subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for more tips. Thank you.